new MTF brand and mission makes an important stage in the evolving, successful manufacturing task force. We believe our brand represents progress and ambition on making the future. We're putting people at the heart. We're committed to support the people behind the businesses, making sure people have the right opportunities and skills to successfully deliver. And in the spirit of collaboration, we will work with people across the stakeholder group to ensure success happens. We're proposing an ambitious but achievable network mission to keep us focused on what we have to deliver. The MTF Network will support the advanced manufacturing community in Mid and East Antrim through collaboration with industry, academia and government. Together we will develop workforce skills, drive innovation, deliver sustainable CleanTech solutions and strengthen our economy to prepare for tomorrow.
What we want to see more of being focused on, probably the peer-to-peer learning, getting the likes of Simon and John in from Invest NI to coach the leaders there.
Within I4C, the plans are to have an innovation lab. We need to move the dial in terms of innovation levels and engagement across the borough. A key part of that is having a facility where people can come in, they can test and use equipment alongside an expert.
To create the building blocks where we started to understand sustainability. It's not just environmental, there's really practical ways that if your company is on the right agenda with this, it will give you a commercial advantage.
And I just want to encourage you to open their doors for a tour. The benefits for any leader is that you gain an energy from showing what you're doing.